Your pancreas is one of the most important organs in your body. Not only does it produce insulin to regulate your blood sugar levels, but it also helps with digestion and nutrient absorption. Unfortunately, several factors such as a poor diet, excess alcohol consumption, high sugar intake, and certain medical conditions can potentially damage the pancreas. But the good news is that you can save your pancreas from damage with these 12 foods that we are going to show you in today's video. Let's begin. Number 1. Turmeric. Turmeric is a spice that has been prized for centuries for its distinctive characteristics, including its anti-inflammatory, antifungal, and antibacterial properties. In the United States, turmeric has become a beloved ingredient due to its earthy taste. This vibrant yellow spice contains a unique compound called curcumin, which has been found to alleviate pancreatic pain and reduce inflammation in it. Additionally, turmeric indirectly helps regulate blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity and stimulating insulin production in the pancreas. Before we move on, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. If you find our videos helpful, please support us by becoming a patron. Number 2. Garlic. Garlic is a kitchen staple known for enhancing the flavor of any dish. But beyond its taste, garlic also offers an array of health benefits that are worth exploring, even for those who are not fans of its distinct aftertaste. Packed with powerful plant compounds, garlic has been shown to possess potent medicinal properties. Consuming raw, crushed garlic can aid digestion, ward off coughs and colds, and boost immunity by repairing tissues throughout the body, including the pancreas. The selenium, sulfur, and flavonoid compounds found in garlic may also help to reduce inflammation in the pancreas, promoting overall pancreatic health. Number 3. Chicken. To save your pancreas from damage, it's very important to follow a diet that is high in protein but low in unhealthy fats. Thankfully, we have both chicken and turkey. Chicken is a dietary staple that has long been appreciated for its versatility and delicious flavor. Not just chicken, but lean meats like turkey can also play an important role in maintaining optimal pancreatic health. Fortunately, there are countless ways to prepare chicken that are both satisfying and healthy. In addition to meat-based protein sources, incorporating plant-based options like assorted nuts can also help keep symptoms of pancreatic inflammation at bay. Number 4. Whole grain. The marketplace offers a wide variety of whole grains, including options like barley, buckwheat, brown rice, and oatmeal. These grains are well known for their high fiber content, which provides numerous health benefits. For example, consuming whole grains regularly can aid in weight management, promote stable blood sugar levels, and even help lower blood pressure. Additionally, a pancreas-friendly diet emphasizes the importance of consuming fiber-rich whole grains. By increasing fiber intake, you can reduce their risk of developing pancreatitis by lowering the likelihood of experiencing painful gallstones. Needless to say, no one wants to deal with that kind of discomfort. So if you want to save your pancreas from damage, including whole grains in your diet seems like a really good idea. Number 5. Leafy green vegetables. Leafy green vegetables, such as kale, spinach, collard greens, and lettuce are not only some of the healthiest foods you can consume, but they are also highly beneficial for the pancreas. Despite the occasional aversion to green juice, these veggies offer a lot of advantages. They are especially good for the pancreas because they are rich in antioxidants and folate, both of which may help reduce the risk of developing pancreatic cancer. Additionally, leafy greens can help alleviate the discomfort associated with pancreatitis, making them a valuable addition to any pancreas-friendly diet. Number 6. Purple fruits. Many purple-skinned fruits, such as blueberries and red grapes, are some of the healthiest fruits available. If these happen to be among your favorite snacks, we have great news for you. Not only do these fruits add a burst of color to your meals, but they also contain phytochemicals that exhibit anti-pancreatic cancer properties. So what's so special about purple-skinned fruits in particular? These fruits get their hue from a class of antioxidants called anthocyanins, which have numerous health benefits. Additionally, the combination of anthocyanins and flavonoids in these fruits can help regulate blood sugar levels and increase insulin sensitivity, making them an excellent addition to any pancreas-friendly diet. Number 7. Dandelion tea. While it may sound unusual, dandelion tea offers numerous benefits that are worth exploring. Made from dried dandelion root, this tea is an excellent caffeine-free alternative. Drinking a cup of dandelion tea can help protect the liver, relieve the symptoms of water weight, and soothe an irritated digestive system. In fact, research has shown that dandelion root extract can induce cell death in melanoma cells, while keeping non-cancerous cells safe. This has also been observed in the case of pancreatic cancer cells, making dandelion tea a potentially valuable addition to any pancreas-friendly diet. Number 8. Olive leaf extracts. While many of us have a love-hate relationship with olives as pizza toppings, the leaves of olive plants are often overlooked. Despite being an unusual food choice, olive leaf extract has numerous benefits for pancreatic health. These leaves can help protect the heart from inflammation, lower blood pressure, reduces the risk of developing type 2 diabetes, and can even help protect the brain from developing Parkinson's disease and Alzheimer's disease. Oleuropein, the active component in olive leaves, helps protect the pancreas from inflammation. Drinking olive leaf extract tea can decrease swelling and pain in the pancreas, making it an excellent addition to any pancreas-friendly diet. Number 9. Broccoli. Broccoli is one of the most nutrient-dense vegetables out there, and its health benefits are not to be ignored. As a part of the cruciferous vegetable family, which also includes cauliflower, bok choy, and cabbage, broccoli is packed with many essential nutrients such as fiber, protein, calcium, potassium, vitamin C, and vitamin B6. Thanks to these nutrients, eating broccoli regularly can help your body fight pancreatic inflammation by reducing oxidative stress, while its flavonoids promote more efficient detoxification. Plus, these minerals are easily absorbed by the body and can help in maintaining overall health of pancreas. So it's time to give broccoli another chance and make it a regular part of your diet. Number 10. Sweet potatoes. Did you know that swapping regular potato fries for sweet potato fries or mashed sweet potatoes can help protect your pancreas from developing cancer? Yep, that's true. Studies show that the phytochemicals and carotenoids found in sweet potatoes have this protective effect on the pancreas. These compounds help regulate cell growth, reduce inflammation, and prevent abnormal cell damage, due to which they can reduce the risk of developing pancreatic cancer. So the next time you're in the mood for some starchy goodness, choose sweet potatoes instead of regular potatoes. Your taste buds and your pancreas will thank you. Number 11. Licorice roots. Licorice root is a traditional Chinese herb that has been used for centuries due to its numerous health benefits. Studies have shown that licorice root can potentially reduce cellular inflammation that involves neutrophils in acute pancreatitis. While neutrophils are essential to the body's immune response to infections and inflammation, abnormal neutrophil activity can lead to tissue damage and contribute to the development of diseases like pancreatic inflammation. Licorice root has been found to help reduce neutrophil activity and lower inflammation levels in the pancreas, potentially relieving this condition. Therefore, adding licorice root supplements, licorice root powder, or licorice root tea to your diet can be a very effective way to save your pancreas from damage due to inflammation. Number 12. Reishi mushrooms. One of the amazing and extraordinary foods to save your pancreas from damage is reishi mushrooms. They are especially known to promote the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. These mushrooms contain prebiotics, which are dietary fibers that act as food for your friendly gut bacteria. Not only that, but reishi mushrooms also contain triterpenoids and polysaccharides, which are specifically known to promote the growth of two of the most common strains of gut bacteria, Bifidobacterium and Lactobacillus. As these bacteria break down carbohydrates in the gut, they produce short-chain fatty acids that have anti-inflammatory properties. These fatty acids can help reduce inflammation in the gut and throughout the body, potentially lowering the risk of developing pancreatic inflammation. Although these mushrooms have a tough, woody texture and bitter taste, They can be consumed in various forms such as supplements, teas, or extracts. Thank you for watching and subscribing to the channel. See you in the next video.